Let's see how object composition works. Object composition is one of the fundamental concepts of object oriented programming, in which we create a class that references to one or more objects of various classes as an instance variable. Here we can simply create the object or use the class name to we can to access the members of any class when we are inside another class. So this creates a complex form of objects due to which it's called object composition. So the syntax for the structure of a object composition looks something like this. Suppose we have a class A, and we write the variables and methods. We have the variables and methods of class A within it, and then we have the body for it, and then we have the class B. Within which we create the object of class A first, and then we have all the different variables and methods of class B. So so to demonstrate it, first we go to class A, and in that we will create first we'll use the init function, and we'll write print. This is the object of this is the object of this is the component class. I'll write this is the object of a component class, and now I'll create a method 1, and I'll write this is the method of the component class. Now I'll go to class B, and here first I'll create the init method, and in this I'll write init self, and here I'll write object A is equal to class A. So we have created the object of class A in this init method, and then I've written object of composite class. Next we have created a method 2, and in this I've written method of composite class. Now we can access the method 1 from class A by writing self.objectA.method1. Before that, we have to by creating the object of class A, we have to write self.objectA. And now we will in the main body we will create the object of class B, and then we will run the method of class B. And now when we run this code, we will get this is the object of component class, object of composite class, method of composite class, and this is the method of composite class. This is because in the main function we first initialize the composite class, but within the init function, the first step that we have written is creating the object of component class, that is class A. So because of which the object of it is created first, after which the object of composite class is created, and then after that the method of the composite class is run because of the main body, and then within the method we have the method 2, which runs the component class, which is of the within the method 2 we have method 1, which is of the component class. So we have, this is the method of the component class. So this is how the object composition works in Python.